In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important questions about morphology of flower which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. A characteristic of angiosperm is root, seed, presence of flower, all of the above. So correct answer is option C. A characteristic of angiosperm is presence of flower. That's why they are known as flowering plants. Question number 2. A flower with essential and non-essential whorl is called incomplete, irregular flower, sessile, complete flower. So correct answer is option D. A flower with essential as well as non-essential whorl is known as complete flower. Question 3. A bisexual flower which never opens in its lifespan is called homogamous, heterogamous, polygamous, cleistogamous. So correct answer is option D. A bisexual flower which never opens in its lifespan is known as cleistogamous. Question 4. Which of the following is not a single flower? China rose, Petunia, sunflower, hollyhope. So correct answer is option C. Sunflower is not a single flower, rather it is a group of small flowers which are also known as florets. Question 5. Plant which flowers only once in which flows flower only once in their life cycle is polycarpic, monocarpic, callistocarpic, pericarpic. So correct answer is option B. The plants which bear flowers only once in their life cycle are known as monocarpic flower. Question 6. Third whorl in flower is of petal, sepals, stamen, pistil. So correct answer is option C. The third whorl in plants flower is stamen and it is the male part of the flower. Question 7. In a flower, when the ovary is situated on the torus above all other floral whorl, the flower is said to be perigynous, epigynous, inferior, hypogynous. So correct answer is option D. When the ovary is situated on the torus above all other flower whorl, then the flower is said to be hypogynous. Question 8. In a bisexual flower, when the gynoecium matures earlier than androecium, it is called protogamy, protandry, autogamy, heterogamy. So correct answer is option A. Protogamy is a condition in bisexual flowers when gynoecium matures earlier than androecium. Question 9. In which of the following plants do the male and female flower occurs in the same individual? Pumpkin, gram, rose, hibiscus. So correct answer is option A. In case of pumpkin, the male as well as female flowers occur in the same individual. Question 10. The perianth is a term which is used when androecium and gynoecium are similar, calyx and corolla are similar, and third option is androecium and calyx are similar, gynoecium and corolla are similar. So correct answer is option B. The perianth is a term used when calyx and corolla are similar. Question 11. The flower is a modified shoot because in some flowers thalamus becomes elongated and shows distinct nodes and internode. In flowers aggregate to form inflorescence because apicalyx is present in some flowers, because essential organs are present in some flower. So correct answer is option A. Flower is a modified shoot because in some flower thalamus becomes elongated and shows the distinct nodes as well as internode, so acts as a shoot. Question 12. In monoecious plants, male and female parts are born by the same plant but not by the same flower. Male and female parts are born by the same flower. Male and female parts are born by the different flower. None of the above. So correct answer is option A. In case of monoecious plants, male and female parts are born by the same plant but not by the same flower. So correct answer is option A. Question 13. A flower is brightly colored and scented and secretes nectar. It is most probably pollinated by insect. It is sterile. It is pollinated by wind. Option D है an insectivorous plant. So correct answer is option A. A flower that is brightly colored, scented and secrete nectar is pollinated by insects. Question 14. Protandry is the situation when anther and stigma mature at the same time. Anther mature later than the stigma of the same flower. Anther mature earlier than the stigma of the same flower. Anthers of the flower pollinate the stigma of the same flower. So correct answer is option C. Protandry is the condition when anther mature earlier than the stigma of the same flower. Question 15 is an apocarpus flower is found in Casalpinia, Ranunculus, Brassica, Datura. So correct answer is option B. An apocarpus flower is found in Ranunculus. So correct answer is option B. तो ये थे 15 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावर। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।